The video you are watching right now on your screen is going to be the next viral trend on social media because no one knows how to make these videos. And subscribe me because I upload daily viral AI trend video tutorial on this channel. But first, take a look at this video which I made in just 2 minutes. To make these type of video, first open Pinterest and search for any car or object name that comes in your mind. I'm typing JCB images for this demo. Now select any image with clear background and download it. And one more important thing to get the prompt link, drop a comment and I will share the prompt link. Now after that, open Flow AI, because this is the tool we are going to use for video creation. Now here, click on this plus icon and upload your image. Once that's done, simply open this prompt link, and that's the main thing in the entire video. Because this is the master prompt which have all the direction and rules included. You don't have to change anything in this. Now select this all and copy this full master prompt. Once that's done, open Flow AI, and here click on your uploaded image and here select Add to Prompt and simply paste your master prompt. Now select Video option and then choose Omni Flash as your video model and select 10 seconds as duration and 9:16 as ratio and quantity to 1. Once everything is done, click on Generate and it will generate your entire video with one single prompt in just few minutes. So now let's watch the result together. One more important thing to get the prompt link, drop a comment and I will share the prompt link. And that's a wrap for today's video. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you want a video on any other topic, just drop it in the comments. Thanks for watching.